Have you ever wondered why soil regeneration is crucial in a permaculture garden? Soil regeneration, simply put, is the key to a flourishing garden. You see, a healthy soil not only nurtures plants, helping them grow robust and bountiful, but it also aids in water conservation. Moreover, it acts as a natural barrier against soil erosion, preserving the integrity of your garden. As you can see, the vitality of your garden is directly tied to the health of your soil. Now, dive into the process of soil regeneration, a journey of bringing life back to the soil. Soil regeneration is a dance with nature, where we take the lead, guiding the steps but always in harmony with the rhythm of the earth. Let's start with cover cropping. This involves planting specific crops, primarily to benefit the soil rather than for harvest. It's like giving your soil a cozy blanket, protecting it from harsh weather, preventing erosion and suppressing weeds. These crops also enrich the soil as they decompose, adding organic matter and nutrients back into the ground. Next, we have composting. Composting is like cooking a gourmet meal for your soil. You're mixing together a balanced diet of green and brown materials, such as vegetable scraps, coffee grounds and dried leaves, creating a nutrient-rich feast for your soil. This not only recycles organic waste, but also introduces beneficial microorganisms that boost soil fertility. Then we have crop rotation. Imagine you had to eat the same food every day, you'd likely end up malnourished. The same goes for the soil. Different crops extract different nutrients from the soil. Rotating them allows the soil to recover and reduces the buildup of pests and diseases. At the heart of these practices is organic matter. Organic matter acts like a sponge, absorbing water and slowly releasing it, aiding in soil structure and fertility. It's like the magic ingredient in a recipe, enhancing the taste of everything else. But it's not just about the physical aspects. Organic matter is also a hub of life, teeming with microorganisms. It's a bustling city within the soil, where each microbe has a role, breaking down organic material, cycling nutrients, and contributing to the overall soil health. So, soil regeneration isn't just about bringing life back to the soil, it's about setting the foundation for a thriving garden. It's about understanding that the soil is a living, breathing entity, and nurturing it is the first step towards a vibrant, productive garden. Having regenerated your soil, the next step is to prepare it for planting. But how do you do that in a permaculture garden? In a permaculture garden, we aim to work with nature, not against it. This means less tilling, less disruption, and more growth. Tilling is a common practice in traditional gardening to remove weeds and loosen the soil. However, it can disrupt the natural structure and life within the soil. So, in a permaculture garden, we opt for minimum tilling. We want to keep the soil's ecosystem as intact as possible, fostering the life that naturally helps plants grow. Now, let's talk about the role of different plants. Within a permaculture garden, various plants serve different functions. Some plants, known as nitrogen fixers, help to increase the nitrogen level in the soil, an essential nutrient for plant growth. Other plants, known as dynamic accumulators, draw up nutrients from deep within the soil, making them available for other plants. And finally, we come to mulching. Mulch is a layer of organic material placed on top of the soil. It serves several vital functions. It helps to retain soil moisture, suppresses weed growth, and as it breaks down, it feeds the soil with valuable nutrients. It's like a protective blanket for your soil, and it's an essential element in a permaculture garden. Preparing the soil correctly is a vital step in ensuring your permaculture garden success. So, what have we learned about soil regeneration and preparation in a permaculture garden? We've discovered that soil regeneration is crucial for a productive garden. It's all about fostering a thriving ecosystem beneath the surface, full of beneficial microbes and organic matter. The process involves minimal tilling, allowing nature to do much of the work. We've also delved into the preparation of soil in a permaculture garden. The key is to mimic nature's own processes, using layers of organic materials like compost, straw, and green manure. These layers break down over time, feeding the soil and promoting a healthy, balanced environment for your plants to grow. We've also touched on the roles of different plants in the garden. Some, like legumes, enrich the soil with nitrogen, while others, like deep-rooted plants, break up compacted soil and bring up nutrients from deep within the earth. Finally, we've emphasized the importance of mulching, a simple but effective way to protect and nourish your soil. Remember, the secret to a thriving permaculture garden lies beneath your feet, in the health and vitality of your soil.